Hi guys, in the last video I can make a huge Pikachu on the Minecraft, but at the time it was just yellow big thing, there was no color. So in this video I can try to use the color of the Pikachu too. So to do this I already have downloaded the 16 black images. So I will choose the average colors of the each blocks, and I will use those colors to represent Pikachu and write 2. So this is the first program. So I have used the NumPy package and OpenCV package too. So I can load 16 images using OpenCV packages, and I can sample the average color of each sample blocks. So see this list. So I can have 6 numbers of list. So all these numbers represent red and green, black for each blocks. This is how to. So this is Pikachu image. So this is kind of sub-sampling. So this original Pikachu image is 512 by 512. So we have to sub-sample, downsizing. So let's say this kind of image black. So in this block there are a lot of pixels. So we have to choose the most frequently used colors. So in this block it will be yellow, right? So per each block you have to compare this block's color with the 16 Minecraft blocks. Kind of this one. So this is the kind of yellow. Maybe 4.png. This block will be the probable. So we can stack these images, these blocks on Minecraft. So do you remember this color, the list? So I have the copy and paste here to the palette list of list. So this is for the 0.png. So the second image will be the 1.png file. So I can gather all the mean color vectors on this palette variable. So this is palette. So after loading the Pikachu image, I can get the color histogram for each blocks using this while loop. So let's say, let me show you the color. So this is color palette. So after import NumPy and OpenCV, you have to load the Pikachu image, and you have to get the color histogram. Let me delete all these things because I don't use that one. So from here to here, I need to change the preference. So font should be 20, will be probable. So here it is. So this is all the code. So let's see the main part. So the size is 4. The size 4, which means we are sampling 4 by 4 groups. So from here to here is the main. So this is nested loop. So per each column and per each rows, you have to initialize the color histogram list and then get the histogram per each block, and then get the most frequently used tag color, and then you can change each pixel color with the main color vectors. And I think that's it. So if you run this code, it will generate. So this is original images, and if you click, so this is kind of ASCII art, which means the A means the kind of gray color, white color. So per each color, pixels colors, you can represent each color into 16 characters, A from maybe J. So this is the converted image. So let's see. No, this is not. So let's see. So this is converted image. So I can copy this ASCII art to the Minecraft code. This is Minecraft code builder. So as I told you, the ASCII letter for the Pikachu. No, this is for the Raichu. Where is that? Where is ASCII code for the Pikachu? I don't have. Let me make it smaller. So yeah, this is Pikachu. So from here to the end, this is a Pikachu image, which use just 16 letters. So you have to draw these strings. So this block string has 16 letters. Each letter has the color. So if you type in ASCII, the unknown ASCII function will run. After moving the builder to the player position, you have to draw all the letters in ASCII pictures. If A is kind of background, so you'll move the forward. And then \n means the next line, right? So you have to choose, you have to move the builders to the next line. And as you can go forward just one, and you have to place each blocks with these letters. So block with the data has two parameters. The first one is block ID, and the second thing is block value status. So I think I have to use some kind of function. As I know, in Minecraft Education Edition, some kind of built-in function in Python doesn't work. So I have to make the kind of find the method for the string by myself. So that's nothing. So this is it. So if you run this code, let's see. If type in ASCII, the Pikachu will be drawn right there. See?